Hello creatives, Michelle here. I have a beautiful summer watermelon wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how to pull together these materials and make a beautiful Hello Summer watermelon wreath. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. For today's wreath, you're going to need a 14-inch wire wreath form and some full-length pipe cleaners. I'm going to be using green. Now you want to attach 12 pipe cleaners to your wreath form. On the two bars in the center, you want to attach it at the crossbar. And then on the two bars on the outside, you want to attach it in between the two crossbars. So you will have 6 ties on the inside and 6 ties on the outside. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. My wreath form is all ready to go. I have my 12 pipe cleaners attached. You're also going to need some mesh from Dollar Tree. I have 3 rolls of red and 1 of green. Each roll is 6 inches at 5 yards. So I have 2 rolls of my red laid out, one on top of the other. And I'm just going to grab the ends, scrunch them together. And I'm going to start here on the outside and place it in one of the pipe cleaners. Just pull it, get it nice and snug. Give a couple twists. Now you want to leave those pipe cleaners. We're going to come back and add to them later. And now you want to grab those and you want to measure them out. Measure to 10 inches, pinch. Go to the next one that's on the outside and place. Again, measure to 10 inches. You want to start to measure where you tied it. Go to 10 inches, pinch, and the next. Continue doing this all the way around the outside and then move to the inner 2 rings and continue. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. Okay, so I have my poof method on. I went through and opened up and separated my poofs. It's a little bit more fluffy. Don't worry, you can see through it right now, but we're going to fill this in. It's going to be nice and thick. Now with what I have left of those 2 rolls and the 3rd roll of red, I'm going to cut everything else into strips at 8 inches. I have all of my red mesh cut into strips at 8 inches, and now I'm going to prep my ribbon. I did pick up all 3 of these from craftoutlet.com. We have 1.5 inch lime green. This one does have some glitter. If you don't like that, you can just get a flat lime green. This was $4.75. They are all at 10 yards. This one is 2.5 inches. Really love that watermelon. And another watermelon, 1.5 inches. Now this ribbon, you need to cut 12 pieces at 10 inches. The other 2, 6 pieces at 10 inches, and dovetail their ends. My ribbon is all ready to go, so I'm ready to finish loading onto my wreath. I have started, and I am adding 3 curls to each pipe cleaner on the outside with some ribbon, and I'm alternating between these 2 ribbon and these 2 ribbon. And you just start at one end and do a nice curl all the way across. Now because this is Dollar Tree mesh, I did cut this a little bit longer. You can hold it in your hand, or you can use a clip or a bow maker to help hold it. Now I didn't quite get enough pieces to do 3 curls for every pipe cleaner. There will be a couple that I only have 2, and I'm going to save that to do on the inner because you won't notice it that much on the inside ring. My base is all complete. Look at how pretty that looks. I love the mix of the ribbons. And I like that you can still see plenty of the base color. Okay, now let's get our focal point on. And this is the sign we're going to be using. I did pick this up from Dollar Tree. They've had it for the last couple of years. It comes with a beaded hanger. I'm just going to remove that. Now I'm going to add 2 pipe cleaners, one here at the bottom and one at the top. I do like to add a little bit of ribbon when I hot glue. Okay, I'm going to get my sign on. I like to put mine in the middle. If you want, you can always put it off to the side if you prefer that, but I'm going to go for right in the center. Now because I have a pipe cleaner at the top and the bottom, I'm going to attach it to a crossbar both at the top and the bottom. And here you go, my sign is on, nice and secure. Just go around, pull out whatever ribbon you need to, do any adjusting. But I'm really happy with this. I love this sign. It goes with this ribbon very well, and I like the mix in of the other 2. It gives it a little bit more character. Now I did pull out a dark green roll. I was going to use that on this wreath. I was going to trim it around the edge, but I've decided I like it just the way it is now, and I'm not going to do that. But if you want to, you'll only need 1 dark green, and you just attach it at each crossbar as you move around the outside. But I'm really happy with the way the wreath turned out. I did go back and add in a pipe cleaner to hang it at the crossbar. Really, really pretty, very bright, cheery, and festive for summer. I'm really happy with the end result. The finished wreath measures about 19 inches in diameter. The sign and the mesh all came from Dollar Tree. My ribbon came from craftoutlet.com. The mixture of the 2 makes an absolutely gorgeous wreath and helps to keep your costs down. If you're looking for more summertime inspiration, you can check out my playlist by clicking here. Have a great day, my friend. Thank you for your visit. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.